Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the DREAME L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium smart cleaning solution built to deliver powerful vacuuming, intelligent mopping, and advanced hands-free automation. With massive 19,500 PA suction, obstacle avoidance technology, self-cleaning mop functionality, and the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush system, this robot vacuum is designed to make everyday home cleaning easier and more efficient. The first standout feature is the impressive 19,500 PA suction power. That level of suction gives the DREAME L50 Ultra excellent deep cleaning performance across hardwood floors, carpets, rugs, and tiles. It can easily pick up dust, dirt, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from both hard surfaces and carpets without struggling. If you have pets or busy areas that collect debris quickly, this robot is designed to maintain consistent cleaning power throughout your home. One of the best features for pet owners and long-hair households is the HyperStream Detangling DuoBrush system. Traditional robot vacuums often suffer from hair getting tangled around the rollers, creating constant maintenance problems. DREAME designed the DuoBrush system to reduce hair wrapping while improving debris pickup efficiency. This means less time cleaning brushes manually and more reliable performance over time. The advanced obstacle avoidance system helps the robot intelligently navigate around furniture, shoes, cables, and household clutter without constantly bumping into objects or getting stuck. Combined with smart room mapping technology, the L50 Ultra creates efficient cleaning paths for better floor coverage and improved cleaning accuracy. For mopping, the DREAME L50 Ultra includes automatic mop self-cleaning functionality, helping maintain cleaner mop pads during operation. Instead of spreading dirty water around the house, the docking station automatically cleans the mop pads after use for improved hygiene and convenience. The fully automated dock also supports auto-emptying functionality, reducing the need to manually empty the dustbin frequently. Another major advantage is the smart app integration. Through the app, users can customize room cleaning schedules, create virtual no-go zones, select individual rooms, adjust suction power, monitor cleaning progress, and control the robot remotely from anywhere. The interface is simple and user-friendly while giving detailed control over the cleaning experience. Battery performance is strong enough for larger homes, and the intelligent navigation system helps the vacuum clean efficiently while avoiding unnecessary movement. The robot automatically adapts to different surfaces and transitions smoothly between rooms and floor types. Design-wise, the white finish gives the DREAME L50 Ultra a clean, modern appearance that fits nicely into smart home environments. The compact build also allows it to clean under many furniture areas where dust commonly collects. Overall, the DREAME L50 Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop delivers a premium combination of powerful suction, anti-tangle cleaning technology, smart navigation, automatic mop cleaning, and hands-free maintenance. It's a strong option for anyone looking for a high-end robotic cleaning system that reduces manual work while delivering consistent cleaning performance. Thanks for watching Gadgetverse. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to learn more or grab yours today.